Hi, my name's Steve. I'm a sales engineer with Logitech here in Australia. Thanks for joining us with this unboxing series where we get to look at solutions that range from your desktop to your meeting space. And in this video, we're going to look at SCRIBE. Well, here we have SCRIBE. So let's give it an open, have a look at the product inside. First thing we want to do is pull out this accessories box. It has this pretty little Logi logo on there. Put that aside for now. Revealing the SCRIBE. Now that we have our SCRIBE, we're going to very carefully slide the camera out. Revealing a nice white SCRIBE. Now that we've unpacked everything, let's put the SCRIBE aside for a moment and check out the accessories box. You can see we're presented with a beautiful little package from Logitech. And in here you'll find all the necessary components to be able to install and mount this SCRIBE onto your wall. I'll put this aside for a moment. Underneath that packaging, we're going to see the Cat 5e kit. In order to connect your SCRIBE whiteboard camera to your PC, we need to utilize the Power over Ethernet injector, a RJ45 to USB adapter, the two supplied Cat 5e cables, and whichever appropriate option you require to connect your adapter to power. To connect your power option to your Power over Ethernet injector, it's as simple as sliding it in and clicking. To begin, let's connect one end of one Ethernet cable to the out socket of the PoE injector. Then connect the other end of that Cat 5 cable to your SCRIBE. And then route your cable around the cable track. To connect your SCRIBE to your conference PC, you need to get the other Category 5 cable and plug the one end into the in socket of the PoE injector. And then the other end of that Cat cable will connect to this RJ45 to USB connector, which then connects directly to your conferencing computer. And now your SCRIBE is connected to your room. Inside your SCRIBE box, you'll also find the wall mount, which has a handy little spirit level to indicate if your SCRIBE is going to be straight. In your purple little pamphlet, you'll also find a manual, some very important information, but also a mounting guide that allows you to mount the SCRIBE at the perfect height above your whiteboard. I'm going to show you how to set up your SCRIBE on a non-permanent mount such as this heckler mount. Using the wall mount that's supplied with your SCRIBE, place it onto your heckler mount, lining up the holes, and using the supplied screws, screw the backing plate onto the heckler mount. And now this is ready to go onto your whiteboard. Next, take your heckler mount and position it as center as possible on your whiteboard. On our whiteboard, we have this in the center, so I'm going to position it slightly off to the side. And then screw in the thumb screws as tight as possible. Before placing your SCRIBE, connect the included network cable. Route the cable in the desired fashion. And then we'll place it on the mount. Then mount your SCRIBE to the mount, ensuring that your cable route is as it is required. For me, this is going behind my whiteboard, therefore it's coming up at the top of the SCRIBE. Connect the RJ45 connector that's coming from the SCRIBE into the out port of the PoE injector, and the cable that's going to your compute connects to the in port of the PoE injector. Then connect this to power. Connect the other end of the RJ45 connection into the USB to RJ45 dongle, and then connect the USB-A component to your room computer. Plug everything else back in, fire it up, and make sure to attach your Bluetooth button to the wall. Thank you for joining me while we've gone through an unboxing and also a setup of our solutions that cover everything from your desktop all the way to your meeting space. If you want more information on the products we've talked about in this video or any other videos, please see the links in the description below. Head over to www.logitech.com and check out some more of our great products. My name's Steve. Thank you very much for joining me. Until next time.